All right, kids, I'm not here today, so here's what I need you to do. The first thing I need you to do is the short guide to brushstrokes. If we scroll down on the new website to this slideshow, go ahead and open this up. Now, there are 6 different brushstrokes here. These are all things that will be graded parts of your personal narrative, so it's important that you do these on a Google Doc and kind of set them aside so that when I am here again, I can go over them with you and make sure that you've done it correctly. Now, each brushstroke is different, but they all have the same core sentence, which is the car chugged into the parking lot. Now, for the 2 absolute brushstrokes, which is the first brushstroke on the slideshow, engine smoking, comma, gears grinding, comma, the car chugged into the parking lot. Okay, so we've added 2 absolutes to the front end of this core sentence: engine smoking, comma, gears grinding, comma. Now, for a brushstroke, there are 2 kind of like core tendencies that they have. One is you have to have proper punctuation, so the commas have to be in the right spot if you're going to get like 100% on this. And 2 is each one of these follows kind of a formula. For this one, if we take a closer look, engine smoking, engine's a noun, smoking is a verb ending in ing, which we also call a participle. So engine smoking, noun, participle, comma, noun, participle, comma. You notice how they're both like that. There are no prepositions, conjunctions, verbs. There's nothing else in there but the noun and the participle. So that's what you're going to want to do for those to make your own. Now, each one of these is different. And you'll kind of, here, let's go back here. So this is the example. We go to this. I give you a new core sentence. You need to add 2 absolute brushstrokes to that. The next one's in a positive. And again, you'll kind of figure it out if you just stop and look and say, like, what is in between these commas? You know, what's been added to this core sentence? How can I mimic that? And then we'll talk more about it when I'm next in class. So please go do the best that you can. I know that I'm not here, but I think you can figure it out. And at the very least, at least do your best. And tomorrow, or whenever I'm here next, we will straighten this out for you. Going back to the personal narrative, or I'm sorry, the new website, once you've completely gone through all 6 brushstrokes, once you have rewritten your own 6 examples on a Google Doc that is in your shared folder, then I need you to read The Sacred Grove of Oshogbo, which is right here. It's very short. It's good to read. Now, this is just, the purpose of this is very descriptive writing, just like reading How to Shoot an Elephant or Killing an Elephant, or the thing where we shot an elephant the other day. This is also very descriptive writing, and it's very short. So what I want you to do is read this, and then on, I don't know, the same Google Doc that you put your brushstrokes, I want you to highlight, copy, paste, rewrite, whatever, at least 3 specific examples from this text, 3 phrases that you really thought were powerful, that were descriptive, that just kind of like you read the sentence and you're like, wow, I really like that. Copy and paste those to your paper, and then maybe underneath have a sentence or 2 or whatever explaining why you like it. Now, you know, because we did this with How to Shoot an Elephant or Elephant Shooting or whatever it was called, that, you know, I'm going to kind of hammer you a little bit and you have to explain to me why. So really know why. Don't just say like, because I liked it. Well, yeah, of course you liked it, but why did you like it? Which is a really hard thing to do. So do the brushstrokes, read The Sacred Grove of Oshogbo, do that too. And tomorrow we are going to go through both, or next class, or whenever I appear again.